Good morning, all. Myself, Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today's my topic is conjoint analysis. This is my agenda of a topic. What is conjoint analysis? It's a type of experiment interested in decomposition treatment effect of each component of the your overall treatment and with many components at a same reduce cost, limit social disability. Conjoint analysis key terms is conjoint analysis is the term of given of multivariate analysis tool that considers jointly the effect of individual attributes of the product of a brand. It helps market to analyze the utility that each varied combination of the attributes of the product is provided the customer. Utility, the subjective preference of judgment, an individual that represent the total value of worth he putting on the productivity have a combination of certain attributes. Path, additive model, interaction models, pairwise comparison test method of presenting the pair of stimuli, the response of evaluation with a response selecting one of the stimuli as a there is two types of conjugate analysis. First is adaptive, which is known as a ACA. ACA asks a response to evaluate attribute levels directly and then assess the importance of each attribute and finally to make paired compromise between profile descriptions. Choice-based conjugate, an alternative form of conjugate analysis where the response task is choosing a preferred profile similar to that he would actually buy its marketplace. CBC analysis let the researcher include none option for response, which might read I would to choose any of these. Then is one more is full profile method analysis carries on the based on response evaluations of all possible combinatorics of all stimuli. Then key goals. Definition of quality of integrate is average marginal cost effect ACME is the main key goal. Proposed to variety of diagnostic check of probe the identify assumptions. Uses of conjoint analysis, breaking down customers overall utility from the product into values by aim on product individual attributes, product planning and design, accommodation conflict interest. For example, buyers wants to most desirable features at lowest cost. Seller wants to maximum profit. Market segment based on utilities structures. Importance of choice and factors is relevance, interference, independence, reliability, and all these things. Estimation of utility values is conjugate analysis is used to determine partial utility for all factors value based on the rank data. Furthermore, which path was it's possible to compute the metric total utility of all individuals and relative importance of single objective attributes. Individual conjugate analysis for any person utility value or combined conjugate analysis for each category. Now estimation of utility value is given by yk j1 to k m1 mj beta jm xm j beta jm is the estimate total utility of incentives k, partially utility of article m to j, or xjm is the factors when values I jab m values j and otherwise its value 0. Estimate of union value is metric value income in metric ANOVA or non-metric value is monotonous ANOVA. This is our utility values factors given by this. This is our estimation. Missing value are being replaced by 0 and should be not missing value in order to prevent analysis from breaking down. This is our flow chart. Now we have to complete today's lecture. Thank you.